What is up, everybody? It is your boy Farai. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today we're going to be looking at how to mix some punk rap style doubles. So if you're into that, smash like, subscribe if you have not. So yeah, this is from the Juice WRLD Punk Wave template that I did quite a while back. I know there are a lot of new people on the channel wanting to, mix some punk rap type stuff. So we'll play the example I have, and then I'll be breaking down how to achieve a nice background vocal that kind of sits on the sides of your main vocal. I'll break down some cool techniques that you can use. We'll be going through these channels today. I think I only use the Waves doubler. Everything else is free and stock. So, if you're into that, just get it.
Yeah, say it to me one more time. If you leave, I'll lose my mind. Heart's cold, but I'm fine. Remember when you met me in the summertime? I hate to know that you need me. I hear the pain when you speaking. Really don't know what you want from me. Are you the cause or the remedy? Yeah, thinking about you, I'll lose my mind. Should've seen the signs, I must be blind. Can't wake up, this is not a dream. Just another ghost in the machine.
So there you go, that's pretty much what we have. So yeah, I will break down both of, or all three actually, but two of these we're actually just using one channel. So firstly, let's just kind of find a spot where we can just solo out the double so you can actually hear what's going on with the beat. Then I'll mute the beat.
Remember when you met me in the summertime? I hate to know that you need me.
So if we just do double one, so I guess double one is probably this one on the left. I don't know why I called them both doubler.
Remember when you met me in the summertime?
So yeah, that's pretty much just like a nice little background. Doesn't sound so amazing on its own, but with the main vocal itself, it sounds kind of cool.
Cold, but I'm fine. Remember when you met me in the summertime? I hate to know that you need me.
So that's that one, and then this one over here, so what I do is, there's a little hack which I'll run through now, but with Pitcher, you can actually record two vocals into Pitcher and then actually save some CPU. So you see there's this little area right here called Ref. So I think by default it's on L. You just want to hit it into the middle, my bad. As you can see, it's right there in the middle. So yeah, then you could actually use two auto tunes within one instance of Pitcher and then actually process them the same. So that's how I achieve that. So if I just solo these, you'll see I've got this left one, and then I've got this right one. And if I play them together, and it doesn't sound perfect because it's two vocals going to one auto tune, but I think as a background vocal it sounds really cool. It gives it this robotic sound that you can't really get anywhere else. So yeah, that's pretty much what we have if we play all three.
Fine. Remember when you met me in the summertime? I hate to know that you need me. I hear the pain when you speaking. Really don't know what you want from me.
So there you go, you can get some really cool attitude going on. I mean, if you hear the me, that sounds really cool.
Really don't know what you want from me.
You know what I mean? It's really cool to add that attitude and extra layer to your music. So anyway, let's get straight into it. So by the way, on this one, what I actually did was, as you know, I recorded one and then I actually just panned it left, and then I recorded a second one and then panned it right. That's how I'm getting those two vocals into this one channel right here. And I'll give this channel away for free so you can go and practice and apply these to your mixes. But anyway, so first thing I do is just full auto tune standard, just make sure it is set correct to the beat. Next thing I do is just a cool little telephone effect. You'll get this in the download in the description. And then I just use this distortion right here, as well as just a little bit of a reverb, so you can just find a preset you like and then just blend the wet in as much as you would like. You know what I mean? I want to create like a cool little space so it blends in, and that's really easy. The next thing I do right here is, I guess this is more of like a glitchy sound effect, but basically it is just a auto tune again, which is just set as I would like. And then I use this cool little plugin, but really, I don't know, I just thought this was a cool plugin to try out. You can just use a Fruity compressor, but essentially what this plugin does is it heavily compresses the vocal, and it just adds this cool little grit to it. So you can, you know, use any compressor that has grit or just the standard compressor. It doesn't really matter. What I use again is just a cool little telephone effect, and then just dip it so, you know, because this one is going to be louder than the backing, right? So we're focusing on this one. So it's important to duck away the frequencies where the main vocal kind of sits, because otherwise we get that clash going, you know. So if I unmute this,
Lee, don't know what you want from me. Are you the cause or the remedy? Lee, don't know what.
You know what I mean? It's kind of busy, but when I turn that on,
Lee, don't know what you want from me.
you know what I mean? It's kind of controlling the vocal and putting it within a space. And then the next thing I chose to do was just a waves doubler. Now you could obviously, I haven't found a plugin that sounds quite as good, but the MDA stereo you could also use in place of this MDA stereo VST. Just search that on Google and then just play around until you get a cool kind of spreading vocal sound. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a quick video. Hope you learned something. Feel free to smash like if you like the sound of this template. Feel free to drop by the web store. Download link in the description for those who want a cool free vocal doubler that you can just put under your main vocal. So yeah, hope you learned something. It is your boy Farai. Peace out.